Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about another interesting Spanish word. We're not going to talk about a verb or an adjective. We're going to talk about a noun. And yes, this one has more than one meaning, and we're going to talk about that today. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. And please take a look at the memberships on this channel. That supports this channel greatly, and it will help me continue to make more videos for sure. Also, you can donate, but yeah, you only have to go to smlessons.com and click on the PayPal, the big PayPal button on the website. But anyway, let's get started. The Spanish word of the day is rato. Rato. This is a masculine noun. And do you know the meaning of this word? This word means bit or while. And we're talking about time here. Like a little bit. Like in a bit, or it took a while kind of situation. Okay, in some situations also rato means minute, moment, or time. So yeah, it has quite a few meanings. And yeah, this word is used constantly in Spanish. So you really have to know more about this word and master rato for sure. Now, let's see a few examples using rato. Llego a tu casa en un rato. Llego a tu casa en un rato. This means I'll get to your house in a bit. So, rato in this situation means bit. Rato, bit. En un rato, in a bit. So that's really good to know. En un rato means in a bit. Okay? Now the next example is llevo mucho rato esperando. Llevo mucho rato esperando. I've been waiting for a long time. Okay? So once again, we're talking about time, and in this situation, rato means while. Mucho rato, a long while, you know, something that is taking a long time. Llevo mucho rato esperando. So if someone is mad and tells you llevo mucho rato esperando, that means that that person is tired of waiting. Okay, I've been waiting for a long time. So what's going on? So that's another common thing to hear. Okay, the next example is llámame cuando tengas un rato. Llámame cuando tengas un rato. This means call me when you have a minute. Okay, so if you are at your office and you're leaving, you know, or if you bump into someone and the person tells you, llámame cuando tengas un rato. Call me when you have a minute. Because, you know, the person wants to tell you something important. So, llámame cuando tengas un rato. That means, well, rato means minute or a moment. So, call me when you have a minute, or call me when you have a moment, okay? This phrase is very common in Spanish. Call me, llámame, cuando, when, you have, tengas, a minute, un rato, or a moment. Okay? So, yeah, rato means quite a few things. Okay, now let's see more examples using rato. Okay, the next example is tuve un rato muy agradable. Tuve un rato muy agradable. This means I had a very nice or good time. you know? So if you were somewhere with friends or family and you had a really, really good time, you can say that you had un rato muy agradable. Un rato muy agradable. A very nice or good time. Okay? Tuve, I had. So if you spent some time with someone that you really care about, or friends, as I said before, friends, family, colleagues, etc., you can say, tuve un rato muy agradable. I had a very nice or good time. Okay, the next example is, no podremos salir por un rato. No podremos salir por un rato. This means we won't be able to go out for a while. For example, in the situation that we're living right now, no podremos salir por un rato. We won't be able to go out for a while. Okay, so we need to stay home. We can't go anywhere because we need to keep ourselves safe. We need to stay home. Okay, so rato here means while. Again, por un rato, for a while. Okay, that's important to learn that little phrase, por un rato, for a while. Okay, lastly, voy a comprar comida. Vuelvo en un rato. Voy a comprar comida. Vuelvo en un rato. This means I'm going to buy food. I'll be back in a bit. In this situation, rato means bit. Rato, bit. En un rato. In a bit. So that's very easy, right? Rato is a masculine noun, so you can say el rato or un rato. The plural form is los ratos or unos ratos. Okay? As we can see, rato has more than one meaning. It means bit, while, in some situations, minute, moment, or time. Essentially, we are talking about a period of time, you know? It could be a long time or a short one. Okay? That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to donate to this channel, you can go directly to smlessons.com and click on donate. Also, I'm leaving a link to that in the video description down below. Check out the memberships on this channel because there are different perks when donating. You only have to click on the join button. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.